Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, my little friends, homies, people, YouTube Kingdom. How are you today? It is June. Hold on, give me 1 second. It is June 24th, Tuesday. It's 7:08 in the morning. Can you see that? 7:08 in the morning, and we are awake. Sorry, my arms are tired. I'm still under the weather. I'm doing a little better. What is it called? Sorry, I'm blanking. Give me another second. Okay, so it is June 24th, right? June 24th. It's Tuesday, June 24th. We are on day... We're on day 37. We're on day 37 of the 75 hard challenge. I am tired. I am about to... I brushed my teeth and stuff. I think I'm going to go grab some water. Put on some long pants and head out for the walk, because this is literally as cool as it's going to be today, which is currently, well, it was 77 degrees when I woke up, but it has since gone up 2 degrees, which you can understand why I need to go now. So the plan is to eat when I get back, read when I get back, and yeah. I feel slightly better, but my energy still feels low. And what do you call it? At night when I'm trying to sleep is my biggest problem. I have like a really strong cough, so I'm thinking about, I need to figure that part out. Yeah, so that's it. My brain is like a little foggy right now, so you have to forgive me. We're gonna go for our walk, then we're gonna come back in and do the rest. This challenge is obviously challenging. The heat is terrifying. It's supposed to reach 100 today, but there's like a heat advisory at like 11 a.m. Same as yesterday, where it's going to feel hotter. That's the other reason why I want to go quick. So I'm going to go get my first half gallon filled, and I will see you guys in the next clip. So get your shoes on and let's get outside. It's a beautiful day. We are out here and it's about 7:30. It took me a little minute to get out, but I made it. I took my allergy medicine ahead of time. I think it's about like 80 degrees, which is still pretty hot, but it ain't horrible, you know what I mean? Yeah, so just walk with me for a little while. Oh man, I'm so tired. I think this is I ain't go to bed till like midnight. It's changing colors. You can't really see, but it's lovely. A little blackberry bush. It definitely feels cooler in the shade, so that's cool. Man, this heat make me want to pool. Like, oh man, it would be so nice to just jump in a pool right now. I haven't been in a pool in forever. Little geese. Geese are in the water. Oh, I had a banana before I left for the walk. Just so I have something on my stomach. When I get back, I'm probably going to eat some strawberries and some mushroom pizza. Babies got their feathers. Man, it is humid and heavy out here. Oh, fuck. Whew. That's crazy. I started this challenge when I did. Okay. That's one little bug. Keeps trying to land on me. And I think bite me. But I don't know what it is. I need to look it up. Whew. I'm tired. But I still have how long to go? Let's see. I still have 52 minutes. And it is 8:11, Tuesday, June 24th. 52 minutes. We can do this. Right? We can do this. Oh, fuck. Big tree. Ooh. sky. Man, I'm happy that I got out early because it's only like 8:30, I want to say. Let me check. 1 second. Yeah, it's like 8:30. Oh shit, my bad. Oh, what the hell? Sorry, give me 1 second. Phone's being weird. It's only 8:30 and the sun's already starting to come out a little more. The shade is cooler, but the humidity is like heavy, and the humidity is heavy. My pores, oh my goodness. I can't wait to get back in the house. I'm like, I didn't go to bed till like midnight, so I think I got like 5.5 hours of sleep. But I wanted to get up earlier, and at least I know it's cooler, even though it's still hot, because it was still pretty hot early morning, based off what I looked up last night. It was going to be hot. But obviously, I'd rather deal with the temperature being 70 or 80, and that being the temperature, than it being 80 and feeling like 100, or 90 and feeling like 100, or whatever. So I'm going to make another lap through, like redo the trail, and then I'll probably be close to being able to go home. But look at the spider webs. Aren't they nice? I walked into a couple of spider webs. But yeah, so we're gonna go in, we're gonna get our shower, eat our breakfast, read, and drink our water, and like stick to the plan for 75 hard. Thank you for watching so far. If you have, I appreciate you. It's so weird losing weight, because sometimes my face doesn't quite look like my face to me. Or not my face, but I'm just surprised, I think. I don't know. I'm tired. I still don't feel quite good, but it's okay. We're out here, and I'll be good by tomorrow, right? So I will see you back in the house. Alright, the book I'll probably read in a second. It's a 9:28. We're having pizza, cheese sticks, strawberries. This is breakfast. Oh man. Sorry. And water. Alright guys, I know it's late. It's like 1:58 and I'm gonna start reading now. We're starting on 1:32 and we're going to be ending on 1:42. And that will be the 10 pages for the day. I am like more than halfway done with this half gallon, which is great. I still have like a really bad cough. So I'm gonna go ahead and read this, and I'm gonna finish my water. And this will be a successful day 37. But this will be a successful day 37. Because we are on day 37 of 75 hard. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get this reading done. I'm gonna finish this water. It's only 2 o'clock, so I know I'm gonna finish it, especially the water, and I'm gonna read this right now. So we're gonna call today a success, okay? And I don't have anything left to say, so I will be seeing you another day. I know I can sing, and it's very cringe. I don't know. I'm just having fun. Have fun with me. I hope you enjoyed the walk. I hope you're enjoying the short videos. They're very short. I think I'm gonna have my 2 slices of leftover mushroom pizza and the rest of my strawberries for lunch. And for dinner, I will have a bean and cheese burrito. So, I will see you guys on the next one. And thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. Thank you for cheering me on. If you're doing a challenge, you got this, okay? You got this. Perspective is everything. I'm learning so much about myself right now. And, yeah, like, just good vibes. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Toodaloo. Or whatever you do. Oh, man. Day 37.